Hey JT, I have an '06 Ram 5.7 that stutters on acceleration. No check engine light or any lights lit up on the dash. I was told possible fuel injectors are clogged. From a possibility standpoint, it could possibly be anything. So be careful with people that tell you it can possibly be. This is just pulling stuff out of the air. Hell, it can possibly be your left rear tire low. My point is, yes, it could possibly be that, but you got to go deeper than that. Now, the thing that sets your disadvantage is there's no codes, okay? Y'all know what the codes are there to help you guide you in the right direction, which means it could be something that's not monitored by the computer, all right? What's not monitored? Fuel pressure is not monitored. Secondary ignition per se is not monitored. In other words, the computer don't know if that spark plug actually fired off. It know it gave the command to fire off, all right, but it don't know if it actually did it. Now, other things would detect that, okay? Crank sensor probably would detect a misfire. But yeah, it's either something that's not monitored or you're going to have to go dig up and hunt. Now, no check engine light or any lights lit up on the dash. I have 123,000 miles. I was told. If you think it's fuel injection clog, the easiest, most inexpensive thing to do is to put some fuel injection cleaner in it. Put in the gas tank. If it's simply clogged, something that some chemical can clear up, I say go for it. Other than that, what we have to tell customers is, because we try to avoid guessing, and that's essentially what you would be doing if you're going off no help from the computer itself. Sometimes, some cases, especially when we think it's too risky, we'll tell them, "Ma'am, you got to keep driving until the light come on. Trust me, the light is on its way. It's coming. Okay, it's gathering up enough data to finally put it over that threshold." Remember, guys, a check engine light got a window it has to go by. This could be the window, and the damn problem can be right here. It's just got that one little hump to get over before it goes over the threshold to turn the light on. So the light ain't gonna never go on as long as that problem is right here. But right here could be a problem. Okay, so should car makers lower the window? It's hard to say, man. Yeah, man, you're gonna need some more help with that one as far as the computer. All right, or you're gonna be guessing. But the cheapest thing to do is just try some fuel injection cleaner. That's what I would do. Put it like that.